What's up, Fitness Mindset team? I just got back from Safeway, picked up a few of the essentials. I'm going to be doing a signature dish today. I have some TriTip as my protein, some yams, my carbohydrate, and mixed vegetables. I got Brussels sprouts and vegetable medley, broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. So let's start with the preparation first, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Right here, I'm going to start in the sink washing my yams. I always like to wash them, make sure they're clean. Then I'll chop them up, something sort of like French fries. I really don't eat fries, so this is like my my substitution. And they're going to go... Coconut oil, it usually comes in a solid form. When it gets really hot, it turns liquid. It's kind of semi right now, but what I want to do is I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, but I want to liquefy it, and then I want to pour it over right over here, pour it right over the yams. Then I'm going to put a little bit of salt, a little bit of maple syrup to add flavor, mix it in, and throw these in the oven. Let's start with 30 seconds first. Hey, Long, move, you're in my video. Now let's throw the salt on there. Here's the maple syrup. I put about 1/4 of a cup. It may seem like a lot, or about 3/4 of this serving size. It may seem like a lot, but you're not eating this all at once, obviously, so you'll be fine. Just to make them a little sweet, give it a little bit more flavor, you'll be okay. Make them that much more enjoyable. Shake it up a little bit. Just get everything moving. And once they're in the oven, I will probably flip them also, make sure everything gets cooked as evenly as possible. Boom. Good to go. Let's get started on a tri-tip now. The way that I prepare the tri-tip is I make some incisions in the steak to ensure that it gets cooked all the way in so that the top doesn't get overburnt, things like that. So, let me see. It's nice to cut a grain against the grain. One of my friends who is a butcher taught me that, and the steak tastes a lot better and it cuts easier. So, looks like it's going this way. We're going to cut opposite. And you don't want to go too deep, just about maybe halfway. It'll make sure that the steak cooks all the way through. So now that I got the steak cut all the way through, made all my slices to ensure that it cooks all the way through, now I'm going to start marinating it and adding my seasonings. So first thing is apple cider vinegar. Always put that in there. We're going to finish up this bottle. Cool. Now I'm about to use the avocado oil. got the steak all set, ready to go. We're gonna put it in the oven with the yams. Remember, oven temperature was 525. Now we're gonna move on to our vegetables. We got Brussels sprouts right here. Organics. Yes, I got them in a bag at Safeway. And vegetable medley. Broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and of course, cook them with coconut oil. Let's get to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Just remember my tip for good nutrition, staying lean, being able to convert that food into energy, boosting up your metabolism. That tip is having 50% of your meal to be vegetables, just like you see here, 25% to be protein, and mix up the last 25% with carbs and fat. Obviously, you've seen what kind of fat I use, the avocado and coconut oil for cooking the food. Please, you guys, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you guys have any ideas on any more content you'd like to see, help us out, help me and my team out. That way we can give you guys the content you're looking for, and I'll see you guys later.